Hello friends of the Artistic Secret. My name is Claudia and I'm ready to accompany you in today's Artistic Secret. I will draw a classic car in front of an old industrial building. You can either just sit and relax watching the video, or you can draw and listen to the comments I will share with you. I have already done a quick and very light sketch using a light HB pencil, just to give the overall dimension of the objects. Now I am using a fineliner for the main lines. I use a waterproof pen because I do not want the ink to move away when I will later pass with the water and the brush. The pen I am using has a 0.3 thickness, which is pretty good for our purpose today. I'm doing some parallel hatching to show the shadows. Always take into consideration perspective when you're tracing lines. In this case I'm using a one point perspective. Here you can add as many cables as you like. They usually have an interesting impact on the drawing. Now I start using a gray watercolor brush pen to render the shadows in a nice way. I usually work with 5 or 6 shades of gray. I'm adding some shadows here and there. Always use a reference when you're adding shadows and reflections, otherwise you may make big mistakes. I do some more hatching with the fineliner to give some more interest to the shadows. Till now I'm using only black and gray colors. Here I'm adding some color very lightly with using some Pro Maker watercolor brushes. You can put the color with those, and then you can use a brush if you like to spread the color. Here I'm using a water brush, which is very useful when you want to paint and you are outside. It just keeps the water inside it. You just got to push it to let the water out. Consider subscribing to my channel Artistic Secret if you like, if you want to see more videos, more tutorials, drawing tutorials and painting tutorials like this. Regarding the hatching, you can also follow the form of the object in order to give both a shadow and enforce the shape of the object. And this is the final version of the sketch. There's some more colors over it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more channels. Thank you very much. See you in the next video next week.